I removed the manifold assembly from the bottom of my water heater Whirlpool model BFG1F4034T3 NOV. The door gasket has completely disintegrated. What do you recommend for a replacement? If it requires ordering online, is there anything I can do in the short term, such as operating the water heater without a gasket?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. You really don't need the gasket. It's there to seal the combustion chamber off from flammable vapors in the space where it is installed. Water heater combustion chambers weren't sealed for decades. So don't store flammables near the water heater and you'll be fine. Here's a link to the part online: https://www.searspartsdirect.com/part number /691042/0042/159.html.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.